Are you kidding me, bro? Ja Morant just got suspended from the NBA, and you won't believe how many games he's out for. Because if you guys didn't see what happened, is that during last night's game, the Grizzlies were playing against the Golden State Warriors, and this game had playoff-like atmosphere, intensities were high, and both teams were going at it all night long. And the game was getting very chippy, and Ja Morant, as we all know, is a very competitive player, and as a result, he did something that he definitely regrets now. Because Ja Morant did the finger guns celebration, which he's done before and got suspended for, and he did it yet again. As you can see, straight to Jimmy Butler's head. He has two finger guns pointed at Jimmy Butler's head, and that obviously is very much against league policies, and since he's already done it before, the NBA decided to make a statement and suspend him for a lot of games. You won't believe how many. Because for this gesture that he decided to do last night during the game, Ja Morant has been suspended for 12 straight games.